Hey friends, it's Grace. Hey, okay, so I am just getting out of the shower. Got all my product in my hair, I'm gonna blow it out. But first, I wanted to tell you about a product that I'm kind of in love with and that has made such a difference in my skin during the cold, dry winter. I am naturally dry, so this time of year, it is just tight and itchy and it looks really dull, and I'm so fair. It just makes me look washed out and tired. And so after I wash my face in the morning, I always put on a quick couple drops of the hydrating booster. I just think it's a great way to bind some extra moisture into your skin. I'm then going to put on my lifting serum, okay? And what lifting serum does is it keeps everything nice and firm, encourages your body's production of its own collagen, okay? So I've got that on. And now I'm gonna put this new product on, and it is called Barrier Restore. And what it does is it creates like this layer between your skin and the outside world so that it protects it from wind and sun and all of this other stuff that just breaks down and damages your skin. And it also keeps moisture inside and doesn't let it go out. So just 2 quick pumps of this Barrier Restore product. The other thing, and this is not a Mary Kay thing, this is just my experience with it. I got kind of a burn from my eyebrow waxing, and it took out like a couple layers of skin, like right in the center here, and then right over here. And like it was enough that it was like significantly discolored, which happens from time to time. But like I was getting ready to go on screen for a company meeting that they were recording and sending to people. And so I had this real discoloration. I used this for 3 days, and I'm not even you couldn't ever tell that anything happened. And so this is just such a great product for the face. Already I can tell you, it's like just my skin was just like, and it feels so nice. It also feels nice and plump. It makes my skin look a little dewy. And I'm gonna finish by putting on both a nighttime moisturizer. This has retinol in it. And then I'll finish with a little bit of the hydrating lotion even over the top of that. Remember that your skin cannot take in massive amounts of product. It's that you do soft, sheer layers. That's how our skin best absorbs. And again, I like a more high maintenance skincare program. If you don't, totally cool. But I wanted to tell you what I'm using and finding. I just pulled a piece of my hair into my face. There we go. And I'm telling you, this one has glycerin in it, which is so good for the skin. And again, this time of year, I just need that extra moisture. So I just do a couple drops of several different products from our line, and I get nice and dewy and glowy, and I get rid of that tight, itchy feeling, and I put my best face forward, and I put my best face to bed. Night, guys.